Today's problem is write a C program to print the factorial of number n. So let's start. Hash include studio.h int main int fact or I for I is equal 1, I is less than equal to n, and I plus plus. Print f, no sorry, fact is equal fact into I. Printf factorial is percentage d comma fact. Now here we have to written fact is equal to 1, and also printf enter the number whose factorial you want. Okay, now scanf percentage d comma ampersand n, here comma n, and in last we have to write return 0. So let's run it. Now it asking enter the number whose factorial you want. So I entered 6. So it give me factorial 720. So guys, thank you for watching the video.